This is the Cisco 7911G unified IP phone. The 7911G is built for cubicles, classrooms, or retail spaces. It is ideal for users who receive a low to moderate level of telephone traffic. It features a pixel display, lighted function keys, and a message waiting indicator. Included with the Cisco 7911G is the handset cord, phone stand, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.